Hello everyone, welcome back once again in computer science class. In today's session, we will learn what is chart and how to make a chart from a worksheet, okay? Or you can say the tabular sheet, right? So firstly, we need to understand that what is chart. Chart is nothing, is just a graphical representation of data, the data in tabular form. It is an attractive way of showing data in the form of bar chart, line chart, pie chart, and many more. So with the help of charts, it becomes a lot easier to compare the data and see the different trends and preferences. With the charts, it becomes very convenient to make a critical analysis. Okay, so we are going to make a chart from this tabular data. First, we will select this tabular sheet. After that, this is our menu bar. I'm going to insert option, that is home option, that is insert option. After choosing insert option, there is a option charts. There are a lot of charts are there. You have to choose this one. First, I'm going to make a column chart, 2D column chart. So by clicking on 2D column chart, it is created. Here you can see that we will discuss each and every points about the chart. Okay, so there is a the first thing is that this is the chart title. You can change the title name. You can write any title name like student data, right? After that, there is a second thing is that is your chart area. Basically, this is your chart area. 120, 100. These are the y-axis. This is the x-axis. Okay, x-axis it is related to the name, and y-axis it is showing the marks. Okay, marks range from 0 to 120, right? And this is what this is: English, computer, Hindi. This is your legend. This is the it is also known as legend basically. And it is depicted by the some colors like English marks is showing with the blue lines, and you can say that blue pillars. And this color, orange color, it is showing computer marks, and this gray color it's showing Hindi pillars, means Hindi marks. Okay, so and that is your plotting area. Okay, that is known as your plotting area. And that is also known as data series. That column lines is also known as bar lines. You can say so simply bar or simply lines, or you can say the data series. Okay, so that is your chart representation. That is the graphical representation of this tabular data sheet. Okay, so these are the legends, these are the plot area, these are data series. This is a y-axis, this is the x-axis. X-axis showing the name of the student. Okay, and this is the range of marks 0 to 120, right? Now I'm going to delete it again, the whole sheet. Okay, now I'm again going to select the all tabular sheet, and I'm going to choose another chart that is known as bar chart. There are so many bar charts: 2D bar chart, 3D bar chart. So I'm going to select 3D bar chart. Okay, so it is showing like this. Again, these are the legends, these are the names, and these are the data values. Now the x-axis is representing by the marks, and y-axis is represented by the names. So it varies. Okay, it means actually in column chart there is in this type of chart, basically the categories are along with the x-axis and the values are along with the y-axis. But in bar chart it is reverse: the values are along the x-axis and the categories are along the y-axis. So you can say that the bar chart is the opposite of column chart. Okay, now if you talk about line chart, again move to the insert, and these are the lines: 2D lines, 3D lines. Okay, I'm selecting this one. Okay, so a line chart basically illustrate trends in data at equal intervals. It is a quite similar to the plotting a graph on graph paper, okay, with its value on x-axis and y-axis. It is generally used to represent huge volumes of data. As you can see that this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Y-axis again containing the marks, which is vary from 0 to 120, and x-axis containing student names, and these are the legends. Okay, represented by the different colors. Right. Now we will see the next chart, that is pie chart. What is pie chart? So this is our pie chart, 2D pie chart, 3D pie chart. I'm going to mention simple and 2D pie chart. Here you can say that here you can see that in this pie chart, the comparison between the different items, right? It is done on the basis of their proportion in a circle. Okay, here it is the proportion of Sam's data, James data proportion. Okay, Rupert, James. Okay, so I'm going to choose, wait for a while, the whole data. I'm going to delete it again. I'm selecting the whole table. Okay, you can see that here. You can see that after selecting this one, you can see that Sam's, James, Kevin, Rupert, and James. There are two James are there. Okay, and these are the values. Okay, it means the comparison between different items is done on the basis of their proportion in full circle. That is a circle. Okay, 360-degree, and it consumes 25%, 22%, 19%, 21%, and 13%. Okay, so here data, only one data series can be illustrated, right? Now if you talk about donut chart, so we will see where is it is donut chart, that is okay. As you know very well ki how donut is represented. So a circle inside the circle, and another a circle inside another circle. So it is a representation of donut chart. This is a just like a pie chart, but it can accommodate more than one types of data series. Different circumferences represent different types of data series, as you can see in this diagram. Okay. Now we talk about different types of charts, like that is combo chart. You can represent it. These are the pre-map chart. you know this is a 2D line, 3D line chart. So by using this method, you can create your chart according to your need. Okay, class. And what is at the last, I just want to tell you that chart is just nothing. It is a graphical representation of data, so that you can make it more attractive. You can show your data in very attractive manner in the form of different charts, right? Thank you.